Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Get Colab Pro or Pro Plus so session limits are higher, and pick GPU versus TPU depending on your workload. Once done, store the notebook in Drive or a Git repo to preserve state. Next, provision a low-cost VPS or cloud instance that will act as a keep-alive agent. Make sure SSH keys and a service account are ready so the external host can interact securely with Colab sessions without manual login. You now build the bridge. Install a headless browser or lightweight automation tool on your VPS and authenticate using a Colab-compatible token or service account. Then script periodic interactions, trigger a short cell execution, simulate activity, and save the notebook every few minutes to prevent idle disconnects. Make sure to randomize timings slightly to avoid pattern detection. Also log responses and set simple alerts so you know if a session is terminated and needs reinitialization. You finish by turning your script into a resilient service. Use systemd or cron on the VPS to keep it running and include restart policies. Make sure the notebook saves checkpoints to Drive or your repo regularly so work persists through forced resets. If things go wrong, check the logs first, then refresh authentication tokens, verify Colab and VPS quotas, and confirm the headless automation still matches the page structure. If sessions still drop, shorten intervals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.